Hello guys, you are welcome back on my YouTube channel once again, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make $10 from Binance app every single day. Yes, so if you are ready, just like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel right here. Now let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open my Binance app. So if you don't have the Binance account, I'll leave the link in the video description so you can click on that link and go there and just create your Binance app. After that, it will lead you to the Play Store and get the application just like that. Okay, so check the video description for the link to download the Binance app or to create the Binance account, because it's that app that we are going to use to make money on this method. You understand? Okay, so let me just show you how you can make $10 every single day on Binance arbitrage. All right, so let me go straight to and open my Binance application right here. All right, so my Binance application is opening, so let's just wait and let's see. Okay, so as you guys can see, I've opened my Binance application right here. All what I have to do is I'm going to show you how you can make $10 from this app. You understand? So what you have to do is just come here on your home screen. As you're in Binance, just come to the end, or sorry, don't click on the end, click on the more. As you can see, click on the more, then it will leave you here. Then what you have to do is you have to come down and search for the N. You understand? So as you can see, here is my N. So N, liquidity farming, auto investment, simple N, and a whole lot of this. So here is a way you can make money with your Binance application. You understand? Here are some of the ways we can make money with Binance app. You understand? Yeah. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the N right here. You understand? So I'll click on the N. So let's wait. You understand? So as you can see, here is it. So if you click on the N, here is what it will lead you to. You understand? So as you can see, if you look at the top here, it says what savings, staking, auto invest, and wallet. So what you have to click on is to click on the staking. You understand? Staking. So click on the staking right here. So as we can see, the staking right here. So this is simply means that we have a bunch of coins here. You understand? So you are going to put on your money here. You understand, for a period of time. So after that time, you will be get reward. You understand? So you have to understand how it works and how you can calculate your earnings before you can make money. You understand? Because if you are going to put your money in each or any of these coins, you have to understand and know how much you're going to make per month. You understand? So the coin that I will like you guys to stake as a beginners, you understand, as a beginners, you have to go for this coin right here. I'm coming, guys. If you can, if you are financially stable, or if you have some money that you have put in away, you can come with this one. You understand? The AVAX. You understand? Because this one here is very good and it can help you a lot. As you can see, we have 21 days for the investment. So if you put your money here, you get 23.79% as a profit. You understand? Within 21 days. You understand? So what you have to do is just deposit money into your Binance application, then convert that coin. You understand? If you deposit USDT, just convert that coin to this coin AVAX, then come here to stake. So all I have to do is click on the stake right here, and if I am having a money in my AVAX account, you can see that it will show here, but as you can see, I don't have any money right here. That's why it didn't show us here. Understand? So if I was having money here, I would just click on the max. As you can see, if I click on the max, it shows me that I have zero amount of money in my AVAX wallet. To understand, that's it. But if I have money here, it will show it here. That's why I understand. But as a beginner, you have to go for this. You understand? You have to go for the AVAX. So as you can see, you have to read the instruction for this coin. Understand? So this coin is the minimum the minimum money that you can invest here is 0.001 avex, understand? And the minimum, sorry, and the sorry guys, sorry. Okay, so that's it. The minimum money that you can put it here is 0.001, understand? And as you can see, come here and check the instructions, you understand, because they are going to give you an instruction. So as you can see, it says what the value date. The value date means that the date that your investment will start to run, you understand, you will start to make money or make profit for you, is on the 5th December, you understand? As today is 4th December, so tomorrow it will start to run your profit for you, and you can only get your profit at 26 December, you understand? So that's 21 days, you understand? Yes, so that's how it works, you understand? 21 days for the periodic. So if somebody also have money, the person can also just move on to 30 days, you understand? If you financially stable, or if you are having a big money put away, you can also come to 90 days or 60 days right here. But as a beginner, I will advise you guys to go for the 21 days. Understand? Just go for the 21 days. So I will leave the link to the Binance application in my video description. Kindly click on the link and create your account to get $50. You understand, for free. Create my use my link to create a Binance application to get $50 voucher cashback for free, you understand? Yes, so that's it. So use my link in the video description. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.